Hello everybody, welcome to this listening practice video. And my dear friends, have you ever had a neighbor who betrayed you for the money? In this video, I will tell you a neighbor who betrayed me for the money. So please sit and listen carefully English sentences. So well guys, one day I was sitting at my home. All of a sudden somebody knocked the door. Hearing this, I opened the door. It was my neighbor at the door. Seeing my neighbor at the door, I got happy. I asked him to come inside. He came and sat on the couch. I realized that my neighbor was in trouble. Then I decided to ask. I asked my neighbor, "It seems that you are in trouble." Then my neighbor said, "You are right, because I need 10,000 rupees because my father is admitted in the hospital. He has cancer and I have no money, and I hope that you will help me. Will you help me? Can you help me? Will you give me 10,000 rupees? Then I said, "My neighbor, I will definitely help you." Saying this, I went into my room and I took money and I handed over it to my neighbor. Taking money, my neighbor started showing gratitude. I said, "My dear neighbor, just go to the hospital." Then the next day I was heading towards the market because I had to purchase something, that's why. And there is a club on the way to the market where people gather and gamble. All of a sudden, I saw my neighbor entering the club. Then I shocked because yesterday he came to me and he said to me, "My father is admitted in the hospital. I need 10,000 rupees. Can you help me?" I gave him 10,000 rupees, and why he is entering the club today. Then I decided to follow him. I also entered the club. I saw my neighbor gambling. Seeing this, I got angry. Then I kept my hand on his shoulder, and when he looked at me, he dropped his gaze. He did not say anything. Then I said, "You are a liar. You are a betrayer. You deceived me for the money. You betrayed me for the money. Return my money right now." Then he said, "I have lost all money in gambling. I will return your money after 1 month." I said, "You have to return my money within 3 days. And after that, I went from there. And when he came to me to return my money, I advised him, "My neighbor, you must not gamble. You must leave this bad habit and see how people they earn money. You also have got the brain. You can change your life. You can earn money by working. My neighbor, leave this bad habit and repent. If you repent, God will definitely forgive you, because God is most merciful and most forgiving." He said, "I want to repent." And he repented in front of me, and now he earns money. He is a good person. He is a believer. He never gambled after that. Well guys, this is a small story. Listen carefully and improve your English language, and I hope that you must have liked the video, and if you are new for this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.